How to delete a story on Facebook. To get started, first of all open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view posts and stories of your friends or people that you follow on Facebook. On this page, go to the top left corner and tap on your story. You can view your Facebook story from here. Now, tap on the three dots at the top. Then, tap on Delete Video. Tap on Delete again to confirm. Your story has now successfully been deleted from Facebook. You can repeat the same steps to delete all your stories. Tap on Create Story to add more stories to Facebook. Following these steps, you can easily delete a story on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.